everyone, Pamela here, and I want to show you this Dreamer bag from Coach. It's from the retail, and yes, it's called Dreamer Convertible Crossbody. So it's a very small bag, and it can be used as a crossbody bag or an evening bag or a casual bag for every day, wherein you can place in your essentials like cell phones, car keys, home keys, card holders. So this is it's very simple and very minimalist, and you don't see any sign that it's from Coach, but it is from retail. Hardwares are in brass. Back has this, it looks like a clutch. It can be worn as a clutch like this, and there's a pocket at the back, and the material lining is suede there, and it comes with this detachable and adjustable crossbody strap with brass hardwares. It has this short chain strap for your when you carry it as a shoulder bag or handbag. There. I'll place in some photos. And this is the crossbody strap. This is very nice. It can be for an evening occasion or just an everyday bag. Let's measure it. Length is 7.5 inches. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, maybe you may want to consider subscribing to our channel to help us. And don't forget to turn on the notification so you'll get updated every time we got new items and new videos. Height is around 5 inches, and the width is, this is still expandable, but it's roughly 1.5 inches. Then this bag drop using this shoulder bag strap, it's 5.5. This one is very long. It's a crossbody strap, in leather. This one is in brass. Since it's not that thick, the weight is quite minimal. Again, this is the Dreamer Convertible Crossbody bag from Coach Retail. When I ordered it, it didn't come with a dust bag. I hope you like this video. Please stay tuned for the photos on ways to wear this bag. Thank you so much. Please take care. Goodbye.